What is going on, YouTube? First, before I say it, is I want to thank you to all the people that have subscribed to my channel. I've had, I don't know, hundreds and hundreds subscribed to my channel just for this lawnmower. And I've had quite a few questions about these scalp wheels. At least that's what I call them. So I'm going to show you how to adjust these scalp wheels. At least how this manual says. And it's the way I thought to adjust them anyway, but I'll tell you exactly how to adjust them. Very simple. First, I'm going to try to hydrate a little bit. Anybody ever have this beer? Lucky Streak. Cheap and good. And a big hoo-ah to all my Army friends out there. I've had a couple people comment on my military also, so 20 years retired. Thank God I'm not in no more. Well, these wheels, first I'll tell you what these wheels are for. You don't want these wheels definitely to be dragging on the ground at the same height as your deck. These wheels are only made for if you go in a dip in your yard, like the front tire would go in a dip, that this wheel will catch your mower deck, because this deck here just kind of floats. And then that'll keep your deck from cutting your grass down to the dirt. Now I'll take you outside here and show you a little bit on how this works. They're not perfect on this lawnmower, but they do help, I think, a little bit. I'm going to run into this little hole here, actually a pretty big hole, with my wheels set correctly. Now the John Deere 110, it only has one scalp wheel on the front of the deck, or one on both sides. It's not perfect, but it did help not totally scalp my yard. Now I have another hole, and I'm gonna set my wheels incorrectly and hit this hole. We'll see if it scalps my yard a lot more. This takes a 15 millimeter, or a 5/8 would work also. All right, let me hit this hole and see what happens now. Yeah, like I said, it's not perfect. Didn't totally scalp it, but it's way shorter here. Way shorter than I want. I normally cut my grass at like 3 inches. This is not even close. This one, it seemed like it helped a little. All right, to do this service, to move your scalp wheels, in the manual it just says adjusting mower deck wheels if you actually want to get your manual out. You're going to need a 15 millimeter or even a 5/8 will work. I'm using my 5/8 because it's a ratcheting wrench. So you're going to need two, either two 15 millimeter or, like I said, a 15 and a 5/8. But in the manual it says the bottom of your wheels down here should be 1/8 to 1/2 inch higher than your normal cutting height. So I normally mow mine on 3, which should be 3 inches if you watched how to level this deck. I have a video on that, on how to level this deck, watch that. And so when you set your deck to 3, you should be at 3 inches, or if you set your deck at 2 inches, you should be at 2-inch cutting height. Now you're gonna also wanna check that every once in a while because it could change. Right now my wheels are set completely wrong. And like I said in the manual, it's gonna say 1/8 to 1/2 inch. Now, that's only gonna be 1/8 to 1/2 inch off of the ground. Like you wanna do this on concrete or blacktop, preferably somewhere it's kind of level. It's only gonna be 1/8 to 1/2 inch off the ground if you actually mow really short. I mow at 3 inches, so mine I think is about actually 1/2 inch off the ground. So I don't really hardly ever scalp my ground, but I'll show you how to adjust these. If you're mowing at 3 inches, you're gonna want this. Let me take this off and I'll show you where to put it. Before you adjust these wheels on your deck, make sure your front and back tires are at the correct tire pressure. Because if you don't have enough tire pressure in your front and rear tires, your whole lawnmower is going to be sitting a different height. Now if you're like me and you mow at 3 inches, you're going to see where I had it. I had it all the way down on the bottom hole. And then it says in the manual, if you're mowing at 2.5 inches, you're going to want it in the second hole up. And if you're mowing at 2 inches, you're going to want it in this hole. And if you're mowing at 1.5 inches, you're going to want to have it in this top hole. I don't know who mows their grass at 1.5 and definitely 1.5 inches. Some people maybe 2 inches. But I'm going to put mine all the way on the bottom. If you want to use a torque wrench, this torque specs on this bolt are 25 foot-pounds of torque. All the way at the bottom if you mow at 3 inches. All right, that's how you adjust your wheels on your deck of your John Deere D110 or D100 or whichever one you have. A lot of them only have this one tire up front, the lower models. If you have one of the higher models, you may have wheels in the back, which would be a lot nicer if you had wheels on the back, but I only live on 1/2 acre. I didn't see the need to buy a really expensive lawnmower. One more thing. These wheels definitely should not be touching. When I'm set at 3, they should not be touching the ground. So if you like to mow your lawn a lot shorter, these wheels still should not be touching, like I said. It says in there to make sure they're 1/8 to 1/2 inch, at least 1/8 to 1/2 inch above the ground. Mine measure about 1 inch above the ground when I'm mowing 3 inches. So, well, I hope my video helped you out on adjusting your anti-scalp wheels on your John Deere lawnmower. Oh, also I have some links just in case you had your anti-scalp wheels adjusted wrong and you wore them out. I'll have a link down below on where you can buy another set of them anti-scalp wheels. And I'll have a link to a full service kit that I've bought before. It's really nice. It comes with a spark plug, an air filter, oil, a fuel filter. Comes with everything just to do a full service to service your lawnmower. I also have quite a few other videos on that same John Deere lawnmower, like changing the oil, greasing all the fittings, leveling the deck. So watch some of them videos. Please hit that subscribe button to help support my channel and leave a comment down below. and hit that thumbs up button. God bless and have a great day.